Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to talk about the HaruHaru Wonder Black Rice Toner. This toner is a standard product in the world of skincare, specifically the K-beauty skincare, and it's known for its gentle yet effective formula. If you're looking to boost your skincare routine with something that caters to sensitive skin and while delivering some intense hydration for your skin, so keep on watching. First off, let's talk about the packaging. The toner comes in a sleek, minimalistic bottle that's easy to handle and it's perfect for your skincare shelf. It has a practical design that helps control the amount of product you use, which is great for avoiding waste. Also, it's quite travel friendly, so for packaging, it's definitely a 10 on 10. Let's talk about the texture of the HaruHaru Wonder Black Rice Toner and the benefits of its key ingredients. The texture of this toner is lightweight and slightly watery, almost silky smooth consistency. It's designed to absorb quickly into the skin, providing a refreshing feel without any stickiness or any residue, which makes it so perfect for layering with any other skin product, for using it as a part of in either of your AM or PM routines. It's a great product if you're looking for some intense hydration. How quickly it absorbs into the skin and makes it feel like borderline toner and essence. I love that about it. It soaks into the skin so beautifully, smoothly, and leaving the skin extra nourished, soft, and radiant. I really love how it leaves my skin with that radiant glow, the glass skin effect, right? The key ingredients and the benefits of HaruHaru Wonder Black Rice Toner. It contains black rice extracts. Black rice is known for its high antioxidant content. It helps to protect the skin from environmental stressors and free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. This extract is also known for providing intense hydration, leaving skin feeling very plump and nourished. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is a powerhouse ingredient, excellent for deep hydration. Hyaluronic acid works by attracting and retaining moisture in the skin, which helps to smooth out that fine lines and maintain a supple, dewy complexion. So it's great for all skin types, especially if you're looking to boost moisture levels. Another key ingredient is beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to calm the irritated skin and support the skin natural healing process. This ingredient also enhances the skin barrier function, making it more resilient to any environmental or external aggressors. I love how versatile toners and essences can be. They can be used in so many different ways to enhance your skincare routine. Korean Pretty really excel in making some of the best toners and essences on the market. So similarly, there are different ways of using this toner as well. You can use this toner in different ways, like the traditional toner method, hydration boost method, or even for the layering method. Let me walk you through all these methods one by one. The traditional toner method is simple. You just need to apply it on a cotton pad and swipe it across your face to remove any leftover impurities and prepare your skin for the next steps in your routine. The next method is the hydration boost method, which is my personal favorite. You can use your hands to press the product on your skin, so this method can ensure deep penetration of the product and great absorption as well. The next method is layering method. You can use multiple layers multiple times on the face, which can help to lock the moisture and give an intense moisture boost, especially if you have a very dry and flaky skin. Okay, so I would say the HaruHaru Wonder Black Rice Toner is a fantastic addition to any skincare routine. I would say it's honestly one of the best toner I've used so far, and thanks to the fantastic blend of ingredients, it provides excellent hydration and overall skin benefits. But however, if you're looking for something that is very extra intense and moisturizing, then this might not be the one for you. It's a great option if you need just a light to medium hydration, but it still works wonder for your skin. So I would highly recommend this toner for its quality and effectiveness, but keep in mind that this is not the most moisturizing toner out there. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more skincare reviews and tips. See you in my next video. Bye.